Guys, what in the hell? Are you kidding me right now? Literally, there's snow everywhere, dude. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Oh guys, I am back from a long break. Guys, I know it feels like that it's been a while, but guys, I just want to tell you guys, I'm back. You know what, guys? Guys, I'm gonna sit you guys somewhere, so then we can just like talk face to face. So I can tell you what's been going on, why I haven't been making videos, and blah blah. But yeah, here we go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna kind of tell you guys why I haven't been making videos, because I decided to do I went on a break for a really long time because I was just really stressed out, a lot of things, and I've just been like, you know, over my mind, a lot of things, and I don't know. I guess I would say I've been feeling a little down and just feeling depressed a lot. And so I've been you know, moving forward to all that stuff, you know? And I know I've probably said a lot of mean stuff to myself that's really not true, because like whenever I just feel this type of way, I start to say really negative things about myself, and yeah. But I kind of wanna move on, you know. I just wanna move on. But yeah. Alright guys, so that's all I had to share. So yeah, let's continue on this video. Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say, really. But guys, so I just wanna, because like I wanna move forward to stuff, you know. Like I wanna, you know, I wanna make a new change to myself, because like right after Christmas there's like a new year. So it's 2019 right now. So in 2020, the hell? Guys, hold on. Anyways, guys, so back to what I was saying. So like, guys, I wanna like do something new, you know? I want to make a new change. Cause like look, I have this new series that I'm doing. I'm doing a Christmas series, because Christmas is like around the corner. Like once after Thanksgiving is over, boom, it's like December 1st. Wait, what day is on December 1st? So Saturday will be the 30th. Sunday will be December 1st. And Monday will be December 2nd. So, I would like to do, so guys, in 2020, I am going to just, you know, move forward on to, like, I don't want my old life. Like, cause, like, do you guys get what I'm trying to say here? Because, like, I want to be a positive person, you know? I want to be good and great, you know? I want to be this positive person instead of this old me, negative crap and stuff. And so, yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Because, like, I, you know, I want to move on and get things on my head and just, you know, move onto stuff, and I want to be happy again, you know? So... So yeah, so that's my goal. Is I'm gonna try to be a positive person. I want to move on. You know, I just want to see a new me. You know what I mean? So, oh yeah. Also, I got some really awesome stuff that I want to show you guys. So check it out. Alright guys, so basically this is like a vlog and room tour basically. So a couple weeks ago, I decided to make my room into like a little Christmas thing. So I basically set up all my Santa Clauses and stuff, and some of these cool nutcrackers. We do have this ornament, but the batteries are like shot, so I'll have to get new ones. And so yeah. So, and then I have this. I have the elf on the shelf. The doll is actually out there. But yeah, but here's the whole thing, guys. And then we got Santa Claus here. And then we got my lights. And then we got my Christmas tree. You guys, check out this awesome Michael Jackson idea. So I decided to use my Michael Jackson glove as a star. Isn't that awesome, or what? At one point, I did get the gloves, like the fingers to stay, but now I can't get to. Maybe if I. Crap. There we go. Perfect. So yeah, I decided to use my Michael Jackson glove as a star. Is that awesome, or what? Looks pretty dope. So yeah, we have my Christmas tree, and then my Santa hat, and then we got my elf slippers. You guys like them? They're so cute, aren't they? And then I decided to set out a fake Christmas present. And then we got the Santa Claus sack that's filled with fake presents. So yeah. But yeah, I also forgot to show you guys. We have this awesome, not snowman, but a penguin. I think you call it. It's a thing where you put like December 1st, you know. You have to put all of your candy canes on these, and then once you get to the 24th, it's Christmas Eve, my dude. So yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, so health update, guys. I want to give you guys a little update about me. That I'm doing alright. I'm doing good. Haven't done anything to myself at all, so I am good. And guys, no, I am not planning on harming myself at all. So you guys don't need to be concerned. But guys, things has been good. been a chill day. Except for school though, guys. I just don't like school in general. It just, nah. Okay, guys. I'm the type of a person that don't like school because it goes to get up at freaking 6 a.m. and get ready and then blah 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 and all this stuff. And it's just so hard. Now, guys, my original time to get up for me is around like 10, 11:30 a.m. Yeah, that's my original time. But me, when I have to get up at 6 a.m., that's no. I'm like, I'm still in bed at time at 6 a.m. I'm still in bed, but my original time when I get up, I get up around like 10 o'clock or 11:30 ish maybe. So yeah, that's my original time. Guys, I'm on my Xbox right now, just chilling in my room, and I'm just looking at the ugly looking snow on the ground. You know, guys, my plan is for Thanksgiving, we're actually gonna go out to the Holiday Inn, which that's pretty awesome. Cause like we get to go to Holiday Inn, you know, and we go to the the little place in the Holiday Inn to eat. So yeah, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna see my grandpa there and stuff and like that. So yeah, that's gonna be a fun night. It's gonna be lit, my dude. I found this can of Coke. I set it by my window. And I legitimately forgot about it from last night. Oh crap. Alright. Oh my god. Guys, this is it for the video. Guys, please, leave a like on this video. Guys, I'm actually I'm gonna go out there and make a schedule for myself. I'm gonna make a YouTube schedule. Because like I'm gonna start making videos every day now. So yeah, that's gonna be my goal. Oh yeah, and then there's gonna be a brand new series coming out this year. It's gonna be a Christmas series, so it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be lit, like you wouldn't believe. Like, guys, it's gonna be so awesome. It's gonna be great. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my content. Links in the description below, guys. Add me on Snap, follow me on Instagram, friend me on Facebook, follow my TikTok, and then follow me on Twitter as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. But yeah. Well, yeah. So people have been questioning me about my sorry, I just keep on burping. But people have been like questioning on me about my Michael Jackson performance. Like everyone wants to know when is my next performance. Well, let me let you on a little secret. So if there is like a performance coming up, I will like post it on my Instagram and my Snapchat and stuff. So like if you see like a flyer that I made of me with my costume on and stuff, and time, date, and yeah, so that's how you know there's a performance coming up. So like, oh yeah, Cody's having a performance coming up. So yeah, that's the cue, right? So when I post a flyer of my performance, and then there you go, that's your cue. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And guys, don't comment something negative. Please comment something positive, okay? If you don't have anything nice to say about this video, please do not comment anything negativity, okay? Because this time, I'm gonna try to stay positive. I'm gonna try just comment something positive, okay? Just like say, Cody, you are the most awesome person, something, okay? Don't comment something negative. If you don't have nothing nice to say, don't bother commenting on my video, alright? Or if you do comment something negative, I'm not gonna respond to you, okay? If you comment something positive, and then yeah, I'm gonna respond. Because like I'm sick of the haters, guys. I want to be on the positive side, not on a negative side. You know what I mean? Alright, guys. Please subscribe and peace out. I'm out.